Hi! Today we're going to make an advanced squash and stretch setup for a ball with a tail. This setup will give us squash and stretch just by translating a single bone and ensures that mass is preserved. Let's start by importing the data from Photoshop. Make the tail into a mesh, edit it, and use the new tool to create the vertices. For nicer bending, space the vertices evenly. Next, create a bone and split it into 4 nested bones. Click Bind in the Weights view and choose the mesh. Weights are set automatically. Check how it bends in Animate mode. Smooth if necessary. The tail is done. For the ball, make it a mesh and create a bone called ball. Next, create bones at the top and bottom. The top bone will control squashing the ball. Create a transform constraint for the bottom bone, with the top bone as the target. Click Match and set Translate Mixes to -100. This makes the bottom bone move opposite from the top bone. Create a bone on the left edge called Left Container. Rotate it -90 degrees. Create a child bone called Left. Create a transfer constraint for the left bone with the top bone as the target. Click Match, check Local and set the Translate Y mix to 100. This makes the left bone move left and right when the top bone moves up and down. Now for the right side. Create a bone called Right Container. This time rotate it 90 degrees. Create a child bone called Right. Create a transfer constraint for the right bone. With the top bone as the target, click Match, check Local and set the Translate Y mix to 100. Make sure the up, down, left and right bones are inside the ball mesh. Select those bones, click Bind, then click the ball mesh. To have the tail move when the ball squashes, create a transfer constraint for the tail bone, with the left bone as the target. Click Match and set the Translate X mix to about 45. If we parented the tail to the left bone, it would move too much. This constraint lets the tail move a fraction of the amount the left bone moves. That's it, we have our squishy squashy ball with a tail.